Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm actually going to be creating this look on my right eye. This is my first time experimenting with falsies, so I hope you guys do enjoy. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Yeah, and honestly, it's really fun to be creating looks with a bunch of different colors. Sometimes I look at the palette and I'm like, what do? I don't know which colors to choose. But it was really fun creating this look, so I do hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, if this is your first time to my channel, bienvenidos. My name is Adamaris, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Click that notification bell so that you do get notified when I do post videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm actually going to apply it all over my lids. Now, the reason for this look is to use a lot of concealer because you want a lot of the product to stay on. Now, while creating the look, I forgot that I have to do my eyebrows. You know, me la hice. So, let me just do them real quick. Alright, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm going to use my e.l.f. brush and kind of just spread the product a little bit. Now, I just wanted to kind of tell you guys, I haven't been posting much videos like consecutively lately. I've been really busy with like school and trying to just juggle work and school. And my schoolwork has really been taking up a lot of my time, and just trying to do everything else too, because obviously, like, you know, it's not just about work, about school, but just have had a lot on my plate. But just keep in mind, like, I didn't forget about you guys. I also wanted to say something specifically to my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It definitely means a lot to me. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and I put a little bit more product on there. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because I actually created this whole look using my e.l.f. crease brush, and it was so like simple and easy. I feel like the product just naturally just came on there. So now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's this hot pink. It's the second one on the top row. And I'm just kind of going to dig my blending brush in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to go above my crease. And also, a helpful tip is, if you have one of these mirrors where it interchangeably just moves up and down, it's perfect, because what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're positioning it downward, so like this, that way that you can see where exactly it is you're pinpointing your actual eyeshadow. So I'm actually going to take a little bit more of the pink, not too much more, and I'm just going to add it on top of there again. So now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow eyeliner brush by e.l.f. by e.l.f. And I'm going to take this pretty like purple shade in the corner, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my crease. Now, what I did is I added the product on my brush, obvi, and it looks like this. And what I did is, because my eyes are a little hooded, I kind of just laid my eyes down. So like normal, and just kind of topped it on top. I'm just going to add a little bit more. And obviously right now it doesn't look that great, but once we start blending, it's going to look phenomenal. Next, what I'm going to actually go ahead and do is I'm going to take my Shape Tape Concealer and actually just add some on my palm of my hand. And I'm going to go in with another eyeliner brush by e.l.f. I actually have more than one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease. So, best way for me to explain it is by bringing it down And then kind of just blinking. Not blinking, but kind of closing your eyes. And you see where that left off a little bit? So it's perfect because that's going to be like our starting point. Now I'm just going to make sure that we set that color on there. What I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to, you know, set down the concealer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that same brush that I used for the purple. And I'm just going to go with the parts on my crease that I kind of want to make sure are good. And just go back in. Alright, perfect. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is... Alright, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the white color that's down at the bottom. Now, what I did in the beginning was I dipped my brush inside of it, which was kind of the wrong idea because this color is better put like with your finger. So I'm going to go in first with it on my finger. And then I'm going to take my brush and kind of just blend it out. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little brush from Up and Up in Target. And I'm just going to go ahead and move the product around. Because the whole point of this is to make sure that there's a lot of the white in the crease. And because of the concealer kind of blending in a little bit, it makes it a little bit hard. Because then you're like, am I supposed to be putting it there? So, just put it wherever you feel is needed. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. liquid liner. And usually what I always do is start with the tail. So I move outwards and then just connect it all in. So, as you can see, once you kind of crease the side, so it's kind of like angled, you want to kind of do the same thing with your liner. So... Alright, so now I'm going to take my Ardell Wispy Lashes and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the dual brush on adhesive glue. And obviously this part is not that important. I'm just putting glue on the lashes. So fast forward. Alright, so now I'm actually going to go ahead and take the Makeup Revolution Sun Kiss highlighter in the shade Ice Kiss, and it's this beautiful just pearly white. Oh my god. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the eye crease brush by e.l.f. and just add it to my inner corners. And I'm also going to be doing that with my brow bone. But first, I forgot to add concealer, so I'm going to add concealer. I'm not going to take a whole lot of concealer. I'm just going to do enough to carve out my actual brows. And then we'll proceed with the next thing. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and take the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and herbs and rose water. It's my absolute favorite. I just got it recently from Ulta and I love it. It leaves my skin so nourished, so soft, and I feel like it definitely gives my face a bunch of nutrients. So here it goes. Okay. So now I'm actually going to go in and zoom my face. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. My shade is F11. And I'm just going to put it all over my face. Okay, now to be honest, this is probably one of my favorite foundations right now. If I do a monthlies video, it is going to be in that video, so definitely stay tuned. But I love how creamy it is and how well it just goes on your skin. Alright, so now I'm actually going to take my Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer, and my shade is in 25 Medium. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the brush, and I'm just going to move the product around. And this is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. And honestly, I've been using more and more of my brushes instead of just using like like the beauty blender and stuff like that for like my foundation and my concealer, just because I feel like we buy so much, like we invest so much money in like really good brushes, and then we're like, oh, beauty blender, and it like makes a lot of sense, yeah, and it's really good to use because it just is amazing when you use it, but dang, we need to use these brushes. Like, they cost way too much money to not be being used. So yeah, my little rant about not using brushes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Airspun Loose powder and just apply it on my under eyes. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm gonna just go ahead and contour. My face. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this buffing brush by Real Techniques. And it's probably the only brush that I use when I do contouring with anything. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my favorite setting powder of all time, and that is the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, here it is. Okay, I'm going to go in and take the Flawless Face Brush by e.l.f. as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the Makeup Revolution Sun Kissed Ice Kiss, and just go ahead and apply it to my face. Highlight. Now the point of the highlight is to make yourself look like a beautiful glazed donut. I go in with this one. So this is the e.l.f. Christian Siriano, and it is, I'm not sure, it's in fuchsia. Alright guys, so this actually concludes this look. I do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you know when my videos show up. Don't forget to do that. Like this video if you liked this video, and also comment. I want to see what you guys think. If you guys want to see me do a little bit more color on my page, let me know. So, thank you so much for watching today. I definitely appreciate it, you guys. And until next time, bye!